What's going on? Today I want to show you guys how you can paint over any type of wood paneling, whether it's fake wood or real wood. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your surface is clean. I like to use a deglosser and degreaser by Crud Cutter. Next, you want to scuff up the surface by using a 150 sanding grit. That will give the primer something to bite into. You don't have to sand down to the bare wood. You just want to create a rough surface and something we like to call a tooth for the primer and paint to bite into. Next, you want to use your Crud Cutter to thoroughly clean the walls. You want to remove any dust and debris that was created by sanding. Your rag should look similar to this now. Now before you prime or paint anything, you should always de-lint your roller sleeve using some masking tape. That will remove any lint and fuzz that could potentially end up on your surface. By the amount of knots in this wood, I can already tell that I'll need an oil-based primer, or else I'll get something that's called a tan and bleed. You want to make sure that you always wear your respirator and that you're working in a well-ventilated area when using oil-based primers. I like to keep the window on the opposite side that I'm working on open. After letting the primer sit for 12 hours, it's easier to see some of the nail holes that could use some patching. Once your patch is dry, go ahead and sand everything lightly again with the 150 grit and wipe your surface with a damp rag. And now your surface is ready for paint. I always suggest you do 2 coats, and that way you'll get the right consistency and the perfect finish every time. And this is what the final product looks like after 2 coats and 4 hours of drying time. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you soon.